Hey, good morning everybody. Hey, I cleaned up my wall here, got rid of all my stuff, and I want to put up a shelf. I was going to use the tracks and put on the wall so I can adjust the shelves wherever I want them and do stuff like that, but it was going to cost like $400 or $500 to get all the tracks and all the brackets. So what I decided to do was get a board at a time, which these are now $16, which they used to be about $4 or $5. So material has really gone up. I want to put this on the wall here to put some of my stuff on. And I want it high enough. I think you can see this table here. I want it high enough to where I can still put this table under here and put my CB radio on it. And then put my other stuff on this shelf. So I want it about right there, I suppose. About right there. Which will be good. That's a good height, and it still gives me room to get in and out over here. So what we're going to need is this shelf, and then we're going to need a couple of brackets that I got. Got 2 brackets. We'll put them on the wall. So I got to go out to the shed and get some screws. I took them out, took the boxes back out to the shed, and now I need them. So I'm going to do that, screw this on the wall, get my little level and level it up nice. And so I can put my stuff on there. So let me go to the shed and get my screws, and I'll be right back. Right, got that one on there. That's not going nowhere. That's pretty good. So now I got to put another one over here. So let's see where we're going to put it. Gonna leave a little space here for cords and stuff to go down in. I'm gonna go get my level, because so now I'm gonna level this. That says it's level right there. If I quit moving it. That is a heavy, heavy level. It's an old wooden level made out of oak. A couple of bubbles. That's old. And it's heavy. Heavy, man. Heavy. So now I want to mark the end of it. Let's see now. I know that we can't go past there. So now I'm not going to put any shelving past here because I need to get behind my desk and stuff. But I am going to put a shelf up there, but not today. So now I got my next bracket, and I'm going to put it right there using some 2-inch drywall screws. 2-inch. And there it is, and then I'll put one in the bottom. And there that is. That's pretty good. So now let's just see how that fits. Because I want it right with the end of that, just like that, so nothing catches on it. I want a little space in here, which that's good. So that's pretty good. Now I gotta go get some short screws because I want to put a couple of screws in here to hold the shelf in place. So it's back to the shed for some more screws. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I got my little short screws. I like these little screws that have a big head on them so you can don't have to worry too much about them going in the hole here. You see how big those are, but they're little short screws so they don't go through the shelf. Little short screws. So now I'm just going to take those and get my shelf where I want it. You know what, I think I also want it out away from the wall just a little bit so I can put cords down behind it so it don't kind of show up everywhere. So I'm going to pull it out far enough. Let's see. I'm going to pull it out far enough for this cord to go behind there. Okay, so that's fine right there. So now, let's see if I can get this on the first try. Okay. Now I want one down here at the other end. Same type of screw. I'm going to pull this one out too, so I can have a little room back there. Just like that. Right. And I'm gonna put a screw on each side. Like that. I'm gonna put a screw on each side in the back to keep the shelf from flipping. You don't want it to be no flipping. All right, now that is pretty good. I might get another bracket and put it right here in the middle, because there is a stud there. Excuse me. So now, let's see what we're going to put here. Let's see. I got room for my little table. I'm gonna put my cord down here for my radio. Just enough room for it to fit. I mean, just barely. Okay, now that's back where I wanted it. I gotta get me a mic hook and put right here somewhere to hang my mic up. I'll get that done later. But now, I got this room. What am I gonna put up here? I got something. So now this is going to go here, and this is what started this project. I didn't have a place to sit this, so now I have a place and I can use it. I'm going to get me some crates to put underneath it here to put my few albums that I have in, so I can listen to my albums. Because sometimes us old people, we like to listen to our music on some old vinyl. You remember that? Vinyl? Now it's plugged in, and look at that. Looks good. Let's see. Functions. It works. How do you turn it off? Yeah, they don't have no off button, but the volume control, you turn it to the left and it turns off. I hadn't ever used it before, I didn't know. So anyway, there that is. That's just like I want it. That's just like I want it. I may move it around and adjust a little bit, but anyway, I was showing you the shelf, and I put the shelf in, got it level. I can see right now I want to put another bracket under here. I'm going to do that. But I'll have to go get one, so no big deal. But give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you would, please. And I'll have another video for you soon. You guys have a fantastic day. This looks pretty good. I like it. I like it. Got a place for my coffee.